Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Stevenson in the TaxQuips Forum with this question. He says, if you're unemployed, can the penalty to withdraw money from your IRA be waived when filing taxes? However, I know the taxes still need to be paid since I'm not age 59 and a half. Is this correct? And what other forms would I file if I worked 6 months last year and was not working the other 6 months of last year? Well, Stevenson, unfortunately, you don't have a blank check to draw money out of your IRA without penalty just because you're unemployed. I propose this change to the IRS and the taxpayer advocate who makes suggestions to Congress since so many people have now become unemployed in the last few years, often due to the really bad legislation and oversight of Congress. Like you, many folks have had no choice but to tap into their retirement accounts to survive. Alas, this legislation hasn't happened, so the only tax penalty avoidance you have are the following, and you'll find this information in the instructions to Form 5329, page 3. You have exception number 7, IRA distributions made to unemployed individuals for health insurance premiums, and exception number 5, qualified retirement plan distributions up to the amount you paid for unreimbursed medical expenses during the year minus 10% of your adjusted gross income for the year, or 7.5% if you're over 65. Naturally, if you can't afford to pay the taxes, you can get an installment agreement to pay them over time, or you might qualify for an offer in compromise. Let me just add one thing. There is never a time that you draw the money out of your IRA without paying taxes. It's just the penalties you get to avoid. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about IRA early withdrawal penalties and other tax and business issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.